Hello work gnome. Today let's unboxing and test this Silvercrest Windows vacuum cleaner 2-in-1 cordless window vacuum cleaner. It's currently on sale at Lidl stores with a price of $15. Without the discount it costs around $25. Last time I did a video on how to clean windows without tools. This time we'll take a look at this kit, which includes suction nozzle, spray bottle with 2 wiper attachments, charger and a mind cleaning device. My opinion on this unit is simple. This machine works, but you don't need it. A good example of this is professional window cleaners, who make money with this work. They do not use this equipment. And for a good reason. They use high quality window squeegee. Blade rubber is the most important. The higher the quality, the better result. The other thing that they use is a good sponge, with which to wet the dirt on the window glass. I hope someday upload video how to clean windows like a pro. These cordless window vacuum cleaners are just one more thing they are trying to sell to housewives. But now let the background music play and I will show you what it is and how it works.